No. Okay, I have friends. I beg,
Number one, let's do Gaba go the change as a married man.
By the grace of God, we are here to celebrate something. The magic fund himself. Yes, sign of the big from magic fund to friends meeting and all the friends of well wishes. So we are here to celebrate something good, something wonderful. And by the grace of God, here are the kind of thing we are wishing for each and every one of us. So give somebody no man and machine.
Long wine.
Long wine.
Yes. Number one.
Nobody any wine there, but me go make it room one. Bob Lord go let get condom. Make it we are. Yeah, bag is them no your job.
No you believe it.
Yeah, you na so well a lot too much. I say
the other than what they go like.
You na go dem mo your man no your job. And ever kind what I actually put that I got magic.
Amen.
Like I used to say, I need problem of like I'm going to look up with the my problem of making no come. So as long as saying a problem, when will it be solved? Make it come because of that.
Sure, 100%.
Give us money when will you solve it? He said, by the grace of God, Magic Fund, where a full member of Press Meet International. And I'm so happy to be the chairman of this great meeting. And today, looking at everybody over here, I believe the social where because I'm seeing something different, both left and right. We're not going to have a job on so, guys, I'm here to tell you to
Amen.
I thought I'm going to go back.
Amen.
Tata Nchepa.
Tata no wine.
Tata
Tata no wine.